brand identity is the face of your business, and it is important to align your brand identity with your business missions and values to best appeal to your target audience. The direction you take in terms of colour, typography, and all following branding decisions should be heavily influenced by your company profile. Once you have a sound company profile, you can build your brand identity around it. The first step to doing so is a logo. Pick the colours carefully, with orange representing optimism and motivation and grey representing balance and practicality. It's important to consider what your branding is trying to communicate to your audience. But whatever you choose, remember to note the RGB and CMYK code numbers of all the colours used to ensure coherence across your branding. It's necessary to have multiple versions of the logo, with contrasting background colours, a black and white one, and a social media avatar edition. This will guarantee your logo is faultless regardless of the application. Business cards are essential in striking up new business. They hold value as a first impression for your company and convey legitimacy and trust. Merchandising is a good way to extend your business branding efforts. Consider branded letterheads in envelopes for when contacting clients or suppliers. This is a professional method of extending your branding beyond the office. And give business documents the stamp of approval with a company stamp. This is a professional method of extending your branding beyond the office. Perhaps t-shirts or hats would be a good fit if your employees are customer-facing, or use these branded items as a substitute for uniforms and give your business a clean-cut professional image. A more subtle route to standardizing employee image is to have staff use branded pens, mugs, pen drives, diaries, and notepads. Employees can also wear ID lanyards, which, as well as evoking professionalism, have added security benefits. Furthermore, use your business space to extend your brand image. Branded flags on desks, banners at reception, and even a branded doormat at the entrance can be used to integrate your brand image. Your brand identity can be carried outside of your workspace. Consider billboards or vehicles featuring your logo. Equally, on a smaller scale, offering branded merchandise as gifts to clients will broaden your brand beyond the office. Items such as keyrings, badges, and vouchers can be gifted to clients, and they can be taken home in a branded bag. It is clear that the use of such marketing materials will not suit every business. But irrespective of the merchandise or products you decide to incorporate into your business's brand identity, the key to a successful brand image is unity and consistency. And using the appropriate items can go a long way to stand out from your competition. If you need assistance building your brand identity, contact Nepal Realistic Solution to access our consultancy services.